आपको नजर आएंगे। महाराष्ट्र के भी दो एथलीट्स, जर्सी नंबर 121 प्रतीक्षा बोरुआ।
Yeah, Maharashtra has surprised us with the sprinting talent coming out of that state. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's my state, not usually a sprinting state, but there's a lot going right with the athletics program in that state. And remember, Paddy, if Maharashtra have to defend their title, the track and field has to be a strong performance for Maharashtra. It starts today. Medals are at stake today. Maharashtra has a lot of athletes today. It's a big day for Maharashtra in the track and field.
Pratiksha Borua, Assam. Lane 5, 622. Sharon Maria, Tamil Nadu. Lane 6, 555. Manisha Penupothu, Puducherry. Lane 7, 625. Kiruthika Ravishankar, Tamil Nadu. Lane 8, 482. Shreya Tushar Shetke, Maharashtra. Lane 9, 712. Deepshikha Sutradhar, Tripura. And lane 10, 484. Sudeshna Hanmant Shivankar, Maharashtra.
Almost set then, it's heat 2, 100-meter run, and just about getting to the starting blocks. Strongest leg always in the front pedal for these athletes. Fingertips behind the starting line. Arms straight, but elbows unblocked. It's a blur. The first 10 meters at the 100 meters, it is all instinct. It's an absolute blur. It's only after that that you take the race by storm. So we all set here for heat 2.
जी हाँ, और आपको फॉल्स स्टार्ट क्या करार दिया जाएगा?
Maybe let off with a warning. There is a card system here in athletics. Is there a card, or will this be a DQ? I think she will have to leave the field. It is a red-black, and she will have to. Somebody senior has to go and talk to these junior athletes, Paddy, and tell them to just relax. Deepshikha Sutradhar, and I'm feeling for these athletes. I really am. Somebody needs to put a hand on their shoulder and say, "You should enjoy this moment. It's your time in the sun."
प्रेशर प्रेशर सिद्धार्थ। तो लेन नंबर 9 से दीपशिका सूत्रधार पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगी। त्रिपुरा की हैं हीट 2 अंडर 1700 मीटर्स। Off they go. Shreya Tushar Shetke has really got a good start. Talk about lane number 10. Sudeshna, and there's stiff competition coming in right from her left. This is going to be a very tight race. This is too close for comfort. It is lane 484, lane 10, jersey number Sudeshna Hanmant. I think she's clinched it.
Yes, I'm pretty sure she's clinched it. Sudeshna Shivankar from Maharashtra. What I liked about the finish by Sudeshna was her dip. Her forward momentum in the last 5 to 10 meters was excellent, and she got her form perfect. It was a very close heat, and it was a closely contested heat, I have to say. Nobody is giving away an inch in these heats in the 100 meters, and why should they? Just having a look again, no false starts this time, no fidgety movements on the blocks. Until 50 meters, Paddy, there was really nothing to choose between these athletes.
और वही टाइम होता है सिद्धार्थ, 50 मीटर के आसपास एथलीट अपनी प्राइम पेस पकड़ता है, और उसके बाद इफ यू गॉट द फाइनल फ्लरिश एंड द हुर्रा, great arm speed, lane number 10, and great use of the strength of the legs as well.
Yes, these athletes from Maharashtra who are running the 100 meters, these girl athletes remind me of one of my favorite athletes in international athletics, Allyson Felix. She runs the sprint events for the USA. She is not the most massively built athlete, not like the Jamaicans, but the amount of fast twitch fiber she is able to employ and running the sprints just makes her stand out. It's as if she is bouncing on the track. And some of these Maharashtra athletes, the girls, they are not heavily built, they are not massively built. As you saw Jeevanji Deepti in the previous sprint, but it is about the ability to employ those fast twitch fibers in your legs.
और रिजल्ट सुदेशना ने टॉप किया, शेरन मारिया ठीक उनके पीछे थी और वो लेन नंबर 6 से आई थी। श्रेया तुषार शेगडे, प्रतीक्षा बरुआ, कृतिका रविशंकर, मनीषा अनुपोथु, ये हीट्स हैं। और हीट नंबर 2 के रिजल्ट एक बार फिर महाराष्ट्र, इसका सिद्धार्थ और मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग परफॉर्मेंस एथलेटिक्स में बरकरार। सिद्धार्थ वापस आते हैं लगातार, उस बात पर हमें चर्चा फिर करनी होगी।
या बिल्कुल, और बहुत खुशी हो रही है